Well, if this parking lot is any indication of how the morning's gonna go, I'd say it's gonna go pretty well. I was greeted by two lovely deer lit up by nice morning light and a couple tree swallows. So my super amazing plan this morning is to just walk around with my Fuji X-T4, my 100 to 600, sorry, my 150 to 600 lens, just run around this park, take my time, and see anything I can see. I don't know, I'm thinking wildlife, so anything like maybe some birds, some mammals, some amphibians. I already have 2 of the 3, so if I can get to a little pond and maybe see some frogs, then I think I'd hit everything on my list. 1 year ago this week, my dog was sprayed by a skunk right here. And every time I walk through here, I'm paranoid it's gonna happen again. And it was not a fun experience. She smelled really bad for months. Our car smelled bad for a few weeks. It's not fun. I don't want to ever be sprayed by a skunk. And I really hope she never gets sprayed by a skunk again. I was just here at this little pond a few weeks ago, and I found an eastern kingbird nest. So I just wanted to swing down and see if anyone was home this morning, but no one's here, so I'm just gonna carry on and see what else this little trail has to offer. Found a frog right there. If I get a picture of him, I've hit the 3 kinds of animals I'm looking for. Oh no, it's pitch black though. Trying to take that picture of a big green frog. It's always cool how well animals blend into their habitat and their surroundings. Like my camera couldn't even focus on the frog because it blended in so well to the water because there were some kind of green macrophytes underneath in the dark water, so there was very little contrast between the frog and what was around it. So I had to put it into manual focus and focus on the frog that way. But if modern technology can't even distinguish between a frog and its environment, I'd say that their camouflage works pretty well in the natural world. Unfortunately, all these downed trees are from a crazy winter storm we had. But in the morning or at night when the sun's pretty low, this is a really good spot to try and find birds in the tops of the trees because you can hear them singing and they really stand out. And a good case in point is on the top of this tree. Nope, whoops, it's over there, sorry. There's what I believe is a northern flicker. Okay, he just moved from another tree, but he's still there. It's hard to get a good picture because he's kind of silhouetted. The light's kind of weird. I go a little more this way. Oh, but now there's a branch. Okay, so either I can get him fully silhouetted or there's a branch in front of him. Neither are particularly good options in my opinion. Oh, ducks. Oh. Okay, I missed the ducks. But that flicker is still there. Oh, he just flew away. For real this time. Well, I don't think I got any super good images, but and one more for the list for the day. This is also a pretty cool spot because there's lots of old, dead, dried trees with holes in them. So I'm sure there's lots of things around here just living in the trees. That could be something, or it could just be a weird tree branch. Final answer, weird tree branch. I really need to work on my ability to locate songbirds. I hear them, they're all around me, all kinds. But I have a hard time finding them, whether they're in the trees or in like low brush. So I've just showed up to this new pond. The lighting is super nice right now. There's a big beaver dam, or lodge, sorry, that I'm pretty sure is inhabited. I hear lots of green frogs. There's a whole bunch of grackles flying around. And there's also a Canadian goose. And whatever that was. Yeah, the light is really, really nice right here, so I'm just gonna stay for a few minutes, probably longer, honestly, and see what's around. I mean, there's lots of nice perches if anytime birds land on these like bare trees, it makes for interesting subjects, so we'll see what happens. A tree swallow is flying around out there now. Goodness. There's also little baby ducks. I'm just trying to figure out what kind they are. I can't quite see the parent. They're little white and black fuzzballs, and they're friggin' adorable. One moment. I've taken too many images. Okay, I didn't get a good picture of it. One sec. Where's the mama duck? I don't know where the mom duck went. I'll just keep taking pictures of the little guys, I guess. Oh, there he is. Maybe a golden eye? This is great. Oh, what's that? We've got just a grackle up in a tree. And that, what are you? Where'd you go? Oh God, that's a big bird. People heron just landed in a tree. Holy cow. Uh-oh, I've lost him now though. Oh no, I can't find it. I don't know where he is. He blends in insanely well over there. Oh, there he is. Okay, I found him again. That's cool. It's very far away, so I don't think I'll get a... Actually, that's not bad. The beaver just poked out. I heard splashing and I thought it was just a frog jumping. But then it started making different noises that were clearly not a frog. He's just gone under the water though. So I have to wait for him to surface and find him again. Oh, there he is. He's on the outside of his lodge. They're so cool. So he just dove under again, but his lodge is just right there. Okay, that noise was a frog. That one I'm confident in. I think he's repairing his lodge. He was digging a little hole. He just dove under again, so I'm gonna quickly get my tripod and oh god, I need faster memory cards. Come on, come on. Oh, I see the great blue heron again. Man, it's a party out here this morning. It's been about 10 minutes since I set up my tripod, and I just have it set up trained on the beaver lodge. And I looked away for like 30 seconds to grab my tripod after the beaver dove, and I don't know where he went. I think he was going in this direction, but I haven't spotted him yet. I keep seeing little bugs on the surface of the water. Sorry, little bugs on the surface of the water, creating ripples, and I keep getting excited because I think it's the beaver on his way back to his lodge, but it hasn't been just yet. I hope we didn't go back in and I just missed it, because I could be waiting here forever for him to come back out. I hear him. I just heard a big splash. I don't see him yet, but he's definitely outside of the dam, moving around somewhere. It sounded like it came from this side. So hopefully he's gonna start moving his way back across there, and I can get some good footage of that. I don't know. Not that I'll do anything serious with the footage, but it's cool to have. It's moving now, but it's going away from the lodge. Where did he go? He's there somewhere. And of course, the second there he is again. He was moving. The 1 second I chose to look at my phone. I think that's him. Is that him? At a distance, beavers are super hard to see, in my experience, because they're just so low to the water. Okay, yeah, that's him. I really wanted to see him building and digging in his lodge on video, so hopefully he, fingers crossed. I mean, I was waiting for 40 minutes and I guess I missed him, but he's back again. Yeah, hopefully he goes back towards his lodge, and I won't take my eyes off of him this time. Just to put this in perspective, the beaver is like 400 meters over there, and obviously, being a beaver, it goes underwater, and it's very small on my screen, so this is super tough. I lost the beaver, but I found some more little ducklings. They're so cute! The beaver again, I had lost him. Focus, please focus. Okay. It's eating something. Okay. Well, unfortunately, I think the beaver search and video footage is over. He seems to just be scavenging around the other side of the pond now. And unfortunately, I think I'm running out of time. So I think I'm going to try and capture one more image of some kind of bird. There's all kinds of songbirds flying over me now, and even just sitting in the trees above me. So I want one more image of a bird. I'll be happy with that, and I can call it a good, successful morning. Bohemian waxwing right there. Terrible image because I'm directly below it. But it counts. All right. Also, goose and grackle. Look at this. Oop, don't fly away while I'm doing this. Grackle, shoot, where'd you go? Oh no, I've lost the tree out there. Grackle. Goose. I can officially go home happy. Pack up everything here except my camera, because I learned my lesson and I no longer put my camera away till I'm in my car. Keep the camera out, head back, and something else might jump out at me. I'm gonna officially call it now. I hope you enjoyed spending this morning in the woods with me and my camera. And I'll see you on the next one.